Hi, my name is Steve Hoover. I'm one of the customer success coaches here at Bright. And I'm going to talk about using the map layers to find properties within school districts. To do that, you conduct your search. Start your search, put in your criteria. When you're ready to check out the particular areas, school districts, click on the map tab here on the top. Once you're on the map tab, you're going to go to the layers option. Hover over it, you'll see the layers option right here. Click on layers. Now you might notice it does have these schools down here, but they are grayed out. Why? Because we need to scroll in closer to the area that you're interested in order to activate the layers. So I've scrolled in. As you can see, we now have the school district layers. You can select high schools, middle schools, or elementary schools. I'm going to select high schools. And as you can see on the map, it has now filled in all of the high schools districts in all of Bright. So what's the next process? The next thing you do, go over to this hand here. Now this hand will not appear until you've selected the school districts, whether it's elementary, middle, or high. So we're now going to click on the hand. Once you move your cursor away from the hand, it turns yellow. You know it's active at that point. And then you're going to go to a particular school district. So let's say I'm going to click on this particular school district right here. You will see it has drawn a line around the school district, and any properties within the borders of that line are now active. So if we go to the results, we know all of these properties are within that school district. Now I haven't put in any other criteria, so it's just looking at the active and coming soon. Now, the other thing I want to show you about this, I have created a custom display. And the custom display will display school districts and the schools in this case, a high school. So let's take a look at this. And as you can see, we do have all of these properties, remember, are within the Poolsville School District, but look at this one here and this one here. The listing agent has not entered the high school at all. So if I had actually gone in and searched for high schools, I would not have found those two properties. Now, you can do more than one. So let's say you want a second high school search for. So if I click there, and let's click up here. Again, notice it highlights all the properties within the school district. Let's go to results. And there we go. You can see the ones listed here. Okay, mixture of school districts. All right, so that is how you would do the school districts. And to replicate elementary, middle, instead of selecting high schools, of course, you're going to select middle or elementary down here.